Hey guys, Tracy here and welcome back to my channel. And today's video we are doing an unboxing. Haven't done one of these in a while, and we are doing that fall FabFitFun box. So I'm very excited for this box. I've already opened it because I need to get something out of it because I have run out of it. Yes, we'll see right now. So I got this a couple of weeks ago. I've been very lazy. If you guys have seen my Instagram stories, I have not filmed in a while because I've been lazy. So I'm happy that I got out of my funk and I'm able to provide you guys with this video. So first thing, when you open the box comes the FabFitFun magazine, and basically it gives you a little rundown of what's inside the box and what everything is worth. So everybody gets a Cook Up a Fresh Start HelloFresh $50 gift card. Alright, so let's get into this box. So the item that I had taken out because I have run out of is actually the Skin & Co. Blue in Capri Shower Gel. So it's a good thing that I was able to use this product before the unboxing because I was able to test it out and see how well I liked it. So it's halfway down, and I gotta say I love this shower gel. It has notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. I have never felt so relaxed in my shower. Baths, yes, but a shower, no. And this gave a soothing relaxation, like I just felt like falling asleep standing up. That's how good this is. So I love this product in the box. So if you got it, I'm pretty sure everybody got that product. Let me check. So in the box, everybody did get that product, and that product retails $22. Next up in here is from the customization selections. I got the Catherine Malandrino umbrella in red floral. This is so pretty. Look at this. I'm gonna open it, but just to the side. Ready? Be careful, I'm gonna scare the shit out of you now. This is so pretty. Look at it. And it's like big. So this umbrella retails for $39.99. This was in my box, and I guess I'll have a $40 umbrella, so let's see how this goes. Next thing in the box that everybody did get, it is the beauty blender. I've actually never owned a beauty blender. I've owned the dupes. What's noise? I usually see them at like this hot pink shade. This is more like a nude type thing. The beauty blender, if you are a makeup guru, makeup anything, you'll know how much this retails. $20. Next in the box, everyone got the Luna Rica bar, which is a sponsored item in the quarterly box. This doesn't have a retail pricing because it's a sponsored item or a bonus item, so you would typically, I guess, buy this in bulk or at a GNC. I have no idea where this is. I've heard of Luna bars, but I've never seen one like this. So pretty sure you can find this at a GNC, Walmart, Target. So yeah, haven't tried this yet. We'll see. Oh, I know this brand. So the next thing in the box, it's the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. And I got two. I have not used any Glam Glow products just because I have extremely sensitive skin. Those who follow me know what happens to my skin when it gets irritated, so I'd rather not risk it. So I'll probably just give these to my sister. These sheets retail $18 each. So next thing in the box, I got the Touch and Soul Metallic Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in Penny. They're really nice shades. It's just that I don't like metallics on my lips. Next thing in the box is also a select members only pick. I received the Polishing Facial Exfoliant with pink grapefruit and glucomannan extract. It has a aluminum metal packaging. It's very metally. So this thing, whoa, this goes a whopping $67. So my face is gonna feel like luxury. Next item in the box, it's something that all members receive. This is the Simply Whimsical Tea Towels. Oh, these are cute. Next thing in the box, it would make sense since we have tea towels. I actually own a French press. My friend that moved to LA, then to Georgia, left it with me. I don't know how to use it, so I was like, I'm just gonna leave it there. Now that I got this one, I'm kind of interested in learning how to use this. How do you open this? Oh snap, did I break this? Like, how do you do this? Wait, did I do that right? Oh, this is so weird. Like, ow! This little mesh thing has a little pointy things and I just hooked myself with it. So I think I figured it out. Thing is supposed to be there because when you're pushing it, I'm gonna have to look some YouTube tutorials of how to use a French press. So the French press retails for $22. And last but certainly not the least, so I received the Crown Brush set, which I am super excited because I hoard brushes. Here are call me frugal, guys, but I would not spend $75 for this little thing. But since I only paid $49.99 for this subscription box, it's well worth the box. So I am blown away by the amount of product that you receive from FabFitFun. So yeah, guys, that is the FabFitFun fall box of 2018. If you guys like watching unboxing videos, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on all my social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe. Share it, like it. Y'all know the drill. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye. Okay, so I had to come back just to show you guys something. This metallic lipstick doesn't come off. It won't come off. So if you guys got that, it's good because it doesn't come off.